Ideal replacement. This third brake light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original light on specific vehicles. Quality construction, made from quality materials for excellent visibility and illumination. Trustworthy design, backed by team of engineers and specialists in the United States. Thoroughly tested, this part has undergone extensive testing to help ensure a secure fit and long service life. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. The high third brake light on my 2010 Ford Ranger was completely broken and wire harness. This ligh from Dorman fit perfectly plus an upgrade to have cargo lights in the back that was not an option of the original OEM light. I did have to buy a 3-wire harness separately to take advantage of my upgrade.